Guys, Bitcoin just printed a new all-time high, and in today's video I need to talk about what I think is going to happen for the next phase of the market. We have some very important data being released right now, guys. We do have some clues as to when we're actually going to see the peak of the market. So very important, guys, because remember, in the market we want to make the gains, but we also want to keep them. So very important video today, guys. I'm going to go through everything. So if you are involved in crypto at all, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And what you can see for Bitcoin right now is that we have actually broken away from the orange line here. So as you know, guys, I was talking about this yesterday, how a lot of people were getting very pessimistic because Bitcoin was going sideways. But what I said is that usually what you have is you have consolidation, you have a pump, consolidation, and typically the consolidation we saw right here typically does lead into another impulsive move towards the upside, and I was expecting us to break through this and go towards higher prices. So that is great to see, and now the next target really is all the way up here at 124k, and the most important thing is that you're not seeing euphoria right now. Why are you not seeing that much euphoria, even though we're making all-time high after all-time high? It is because most people are actually sidelined. Now, if you've been watching my channel, I've been saying from the, I've been screaming from the top of my lungs that time is running out, and the phase in which you are able to accumulate crypto and Bitcoin at these low prices, time is running out, and we are about to see some crazy things. And I said that in the titles as well, time is running out. And people were telling me, you always say that time is running out. Well, now it seems like time actually was running out, and you were able to get in here at much lower prices. But even right now, I am expecting, as you know, guys, I'm expecting us to top out somewhere around 180 to 280k. So that is all good. And as you know, guys, on my second channel, I am going over all of my trades. So I am going to continue to talk about how I'm actually going to take full advantage of this. And by the way, guys, on my main channel, yesterday's video was unfortunately removed. So that is why it's extremely important that you right now go down to my trading channel. Go down to the description of this video. You have this link right here. It's going to take you to this channel. And here I post every day specifically about the trades that I am taking, everything with the trading strategies and everything else. But extremely important that you activate the bell icon on this channel. So go right now to that channel, activate the bell icon if you want to make sure that you get notified as soon as I release a new video here, because this is where we are actually making the gains. And in today's video, I am also going to go over a very specific setup which you need to know about if you are a cryptocurrency trader. But yes, for Bitcoin, I am expecting nice moves towards the upside. Not financial advice, just my own opinion. And this is what I see in the market. Now, if you look at altcoins, we were right below resistance as well. We were consolidating below resistance. And now you're seeing huge breakouts actually on most of these altcoins. So Ethereum is trying to push above 3K. So this is looking like it wants to go up higher. Solana is not going, it's still below the resistance here. So that is important as well. If we can clear this level, I'm expecting nice pumps. Cardano is approaching the resistance. Pepe is trying to break through the resistance as well. And then the traditional markets. Traditional markets are mainly going sideways the last few days. We had a little bit of a drop, but it seems like this is going to start to recover as well. So the market in general is looking pretty decent, and I have no reason to believe that this is anywhere close to the peak. And I'm going to show you the charts here showing us why that is the case. First, individual investors have bought 155 billion of a single stocks and ETFs in the first half of 2025. So what is happening here, guys, is that people are starting to realize that they cannot be on the sidelines, even though if they are making, let's say, 5% annualized on the USD, let's say they're buying treasury bonds, 5%. Because of inflation, because of the USD actually going down in purchasing power, they're not really gaining anything. And meanwhile, you have Bitcoin, you have crypto going up by, I don't know how many 100%, right? So that is what's happening right now. So individual investors, they are piling into Nvidia, Tesla, and other assets as well, because yeah, it is time, guys, and things are about to get really heated up. Now, if you look at the market, you can see that a lot of the fuel for us to go up recently has been with shorts being liquidated. So almost 750 million worth of shorts have been liquidated the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. Let us continue. If you look at the grand scheme of things, the froth in the altcoin market can get a lot much worse from here. So what do I mean by that? If you look at where we have peaked for the cycles, where we have peaked this cycle, you can see that here in January of or March of 2024, you can see that the altcoin dominance was actually pretty high. So you can see the altcoin dominance was very high right here. And also in January of 2025, you can see, or December of 2024, you can see that the altcoin dominance was very high as well. So what this shows us is that whenever you've seen a peak this cycle for Bitcoin or for the market in general, the altcoins have been really going crazy, and it has been a big, it has been taking a lot of dominance here. But if you look at where we are at right now, we're nowhere close to this kind of dominance for the altcoins. So this suggests that we have much more to go, guys. So that's the first. And also, if you look at the altcoin index, you can see, and I will say, and also down here, that this is the time to get into altcoins. And since then, we have had the altcoins actually do pretty well here, going upwards. So that is all great. I will update you on my altcoin, like with all of my trades, with the bull market portfolio, with my altcoin bags and everything on my second channel. So right after I finish this video and post it, I am going to start recording on my second channel, where I will get into very deep details about exactly what I am doing and what I am looking for in the market right now. But for now, everything is looking good. If you look at the ETFs, crazy amounts, guys. On the 10th and on the 11th of July, over 1 billion USD was accumulated into the ETFs, which is pretty mind-blowing if you think about it. And also for Ethereum, more and more funds are entering into the Ethereum ETFs. So yeah, things are looking really, really promising here, guys. I am very excited about the next part of the market. Make sure, very important, you jump over right now to my second channel, where I will post my trades and everything, and how I am taking full advantage of everything that's going on right now. So extremely important. Activate the bell icon on that channel. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.